Dirac has been really, really huge because we've got, you know, the right speaker about 6 feet away from me right there on my right, but the left speaker is probably 20 feet to my left. I mean, it's way further. So that's not an ideal setup. And so when I put those in before I ran the Dirac, and you really encouraged me to run the Dirac because I was a little intimidated by the Dirac and not really understanding what it was and stuff. And so I kind of manually put in the distances and kind of set the levels to what I thought they should be. And it was fine, it was okay. But then when you really pushed me over the edge to do the Dirac, and I said, okay, all right, I'm gonna spend the time on it and we're gonna do it. And we ran the room correction software down here. I totally changed it. I mean, it went from, okay, that's pretty good. You know, that's pretty good to like, oh, wow, that's awesome. You know, and the fact that that speaker way over there still is very contributory to everything. You would expect this one to just be blowing you out on the right ear and that one to be like, oh, I don't really hear anything from the left, but that's not how it works at all. I mean, it works very, very well to fill this space as you want it to be. And so, you know, and when we ran that, you can select, you know, what's your listening environment. Is it a big environment? Is it a little controlled environment? Well, obviously we went with the big environment. And so the person sitting over there is getting a really nice experience, as well as the person sitting here is getting a really nice experience. And when I'll go sit in the corner over there, I don't notice a drastic difference in the audio experience I do versus sitting here. I mean, granted, it's a little bit better because I'm centered between the Atmos speakers and I'm a little more, but the margin is very minimal, very minimal.